That's what he wants to be petted.
Oh.
They love you guys.
He's trying to bite my jacket.
That'll happen.
Oh.
They freaked you out with that.
I like Jameson. I like this one.
That's Jameson. And he likes you.
I wonder what they would do if I lay down.
They will jump all over you. You can try it if you want.
You gotta cover your ears though, they try to bite your ears. There you go. Jameson.
No biting.
Jack, come here.
Yeah,
Come here, boy. Good boy. They are energetic.
Yeah, they napped for a while this morning.